The first time I joined your protest here was March 10th, 1994. It's been 21 years. And my friend Michael Craig, he's here. He brought me here and he introduced me to Tibetan friends. So since then, we came 100 times. But the persecutors are still there, and we are still here. The dictators are still there, and we are still here. The persecutions, the killings, still there, and we are still here. Are you tired?
Yeah. No.
Sometimes.
Not today.
Do you feel hopeless?
No.
But sometimes. But the sky will be bright. Not today, but tomorrow. If not tomorrow, will be the day after tomorrow. The star will come out during night, and the sun will be rise again. And the justice will be realized. The time is on our side. Hope is on our side. The future is on our side. And the justice is on our side. So don't be scared. Why our rights has been denied? Because they are scared. Because the Chinese communist regime is so scared. Why our road coming home has been blocked? Because they are so scared. If they don't listen to us now, we will make them listen. So we will continue to fight. We will continue together to fight back. One day, Tibet will be free. China will be free. Tibet and China will be free from the Chinese communists. And His Holiness will go back to home. And we will celebrate together. Thank you very much.